90 days, 99 percentile. Looks hard, right? And people said so. Okay, it would be hard. You just have 90 days. You won't be able to get calls from SIBM Pune and SCMH RD. But I proved them wrong and got 98.65 in just 90 days prep. So it's not just about what people say, it's upon you, how you perform and how you tackle that exam which has been given to you. So without telling any long story, let's dive deep how to get 99 in just 90 days. So bifurcation for the first 30 days, day 1 to day 30. So it's all about clearing the basics. So all you have to do is follow the channels of Rodha, Unacademy and Simple Arun Sharma books. For LRDI, what you have to do is follow LOD1 questions from Arun Sharma book and as well as Quant from Rodha and English from Unacademy. Month 1 is not about just getting or scoring. It's all about clearing the concepts from the very basic to the very deep ones, but clearing all topics. For month 2, day 30 to day 60. Once you are done with all the basic questions and have completed all the topics under the 3 sections, English, Maths and Reasoning, now you have to go and pick up the harder questions. For English, I'll tell you the Bible book, which is Word Power Made Easy. So under this, your vocabulary will be completed throughout. And one another topic is figure of speech. This is very important topic. In 2024, a lot of questions were asked under this topic. And for LRDI, just pick Arun Sharma book and start doing LOD2 questions under all the topics. For Maths, take help of Rodha and pick up mock questions from test book or whichever sectional text you have taken, like I took from Cat King. And after that, month 2 is not just about getting into the harder questions, but solving them, improving the speed and also gaining the confidence. So now bifurcation for the third month, day 60 to day 90. Now you have gained the confidence and also have done the hardest questions. Now what you have to do is, now you have to pick up mocks, C2C or be it from Cat King. So after that, you have picked those mocks, you have to start applying and on day-to-day basis, on daily day, you have to give one mock and during the evening time, analyze the mock, improve like what was left, each and every section, like whether I was lacking in the speed or the strategy. So now I'll be telling about how I used to give my exam. First of all, I divided the sections. This is time management. First of all, I was very much strict about the time. I only gave 8 minutes for the English section. After that, I gave around 20 to 22 minutes for the reasoning sections, depending on the level of difficulty of that chapter and section. And after that, for the Maths, I used to give around half of the time, which is 30 minutes. Now I'll be telling you some rules. The first one is 5-second rule. Once you see a question, then you have to read it within 5 seconds, and whether you know and you can attempt it within 1 minute, then go ahead with that questions or else leave it, because we have just 60 questions and 60 minutes. But for English, it's 8 minutes, LRDI 20 minutes and Quants it's 30 minutes, half of the time. After that, how to give the paper. So the best strategy is, this is a line which I always follow. Before finishing the paper, you must have seen the questions, every questions twice. And how is that possible? You go through each and every section, you leave those questions and go to the last and then come back to do them all. Like suppose if I were on question 1 and I did all and I left the question 12 and moved on. So after that, I'll go to the last question, then I'll come to the question 12 of all the sections. So this is how we will attempt all the questions. And month 3 is just about improving with each mock you have given. There may be time when your mock score will dip, but do not worry, because there were several times where I was also not able to score 99. But eventually I got in and got 98.65. So I love to end with a quote that the right strategy beats any exam. So if you like this strategy and you have watched till end, do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you all.